Welcome to my Advanced Database Management System course. In this section, we discuss about filtering data. Let's enjoy. Filtering data in SQL is done using the where clause in conjunction with the select statement. The where clause allows you to specify conditions that filter rows based on certain criteria. Here's the basic syntax. Select column 1, column 2, so on, from table name, where condition. Column 1, column 2, so on, optional list of columns you want to retrieve data from. You can specify one or more columns separated by commas. If you omit this part, all columns will be retrieved. Table name, the name of the table from which you want to retrieve data. Condition, the filtering condition that specifies which rows to include in the result set. It can consist of one or more logical expressions using comparison operators, equals, less than, 2 times better, or logical operators, and, or, not, and other SQL functions. Here are some examples of filtering data using the where clause. Retrieve students with age greater than 20. Select F from students where age greater than 20. Retrieve students with a specific name. Select F from students where name equals John Doe. Retrieve students with age between 18 and 25. Select F from students where age increased 18 and age increased 25. Retrieve students who are not from a specific city. Stop. Retrieve students who are not from a specific city. Select star from students where city not equal New York. Retrieve students with names starting with A. Select star from students where name like A%. Retrieve students with ages 20 or 25. Select star from students where age in 20, 25. Retrieve students with null values in the city column. Select star from students where city is null. These are some examples of using the where clause to filter data in SQL queries. You can combine multiple conditions using logical operators and, or, not, to create complex filtering criteria as needed. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about Database Management System, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.